Hello, welcome to this video. This is Vardhan. In this video, I'll be letting you know that if you are someone who have logged into Dhanvarsha and 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp, then how you have to go and complete your videos. See, this is the panel shubhvardhan.com. Okay, here you'll get all the courses, but four courses have been allotted to you. Number one is 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp, then Bootcamp Archive. Okay, this one, and then Dhanvarsha Marketing Blueprint, and then the 24-hour challenge. Alright, now first you have to complete and go with 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp. Let's click on it. Click on Start Course. Alright, and once you land onto this page, this is the first video. This is actually hosted by YouTube. Okay, so here it is given all 14 videos are there, day 1 to day 14. Alright, you have to complete, and once you complete watching this video, what you have to do is click on complete and continue. Then only it will count as one lesson completed, and it will mark your progress to us. Alright, like this 3% completion bar is there, like that you'll get 100% completion only when you click on this complete and continue. And you have to discuss. This is the comment section where you can discuss. Okay, so what you have to do, create a new post. Okay, you will write the discussion. Okay, like let's say it was a powerful class, or any insight that you want to give. Okay, and you give title of the discussion, let's say great, and we'll do create. Okay, so here discussion happens. Okay, like here the concept of learnings by Sanjita. Here is Sanjita ma'am has given the discussion over here. What are her learnings? Okay, so here like that only you have to comment. Okay, this is the comment section. Like here Harini ma'am has given the discussion, so like here you will discuss. Okay, this is the discussion section. You can take it as comment section. Okay, so you have to use these two buttons. All right, and start watching the videos. And then this is once you complete till day 14, you will get in the videos itself that what are the days you have to open up the bonuses. And if you want to look for the bonuses, here are all the bonuses. Okay, PDF downloads, everything is here. Okay, all the bonuses one by one you have to go through. And in the videos, while you're completing these 14 videos, in the videos also some bonuses are given that you will be getting here. Okay, you'll click on here and go through the bonuses and click and get the download the bonus. I hope you are clear with this. And once you complete 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp, all 14 videos and bonuses, then you will go on to 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp archive. And in the archive, what you have to do is just go through the 21 days challenge. Okay, day 1 to 21, all the challenges are given. All right, you'll go through this, day 21 days challenge. All right, and rest of the things is optional because this is the archive state, like all the previous recordings of the bootcamp, so that you don't need to go through. Only this 21 days challenge, which is the continuation of the bootcamp, this you have to go through, and again you have to click on complete and continue. Okay, so that you can mark your completion, and again you have to use the discussion. Next one, Dhanvarsha Marketing Blueprint. Okay, this is the course that you have to go through. Again, complete and continue button is important. Okay, and discussion sections mein you have to discuss. Alright, now here you will start with launch orientation. Okay, 2 videos are there. Then video making process, there are 7 videos. Okay, here one-to-one speaking, all the number of videos are given. Under this section there are 16 videos. Alright, all of this you will complete. Okay, and below this, these are the morning class batches. This is again optional, you just have to start with batch 2. Okay, then special classes and morning classes, batch 3 is optional. Alright, you have to pay attention to the main course, which is above batch 1, which is still YouTube growth. Alright, and click on complete and continue to actually complete and mark your completion, and then click on discussion to actually create the discussions. Alright, like whatever your learning is, to write here your learnings by clicking on the discussion section. So this is all about the Dhanvarsha Marketing Blueprint you have to complete. And then again you go to the dashboard and you see you have completed 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp, archive, the 21 days challenge, okay, and then Dhanvarsha marketing blueprint. Then comes your Shubh Vardhan 24 hours challenge that you have to complete again, okay. You will click on start course and mark. Once you complete one video, you will mark this complete and continue button and type your learnings here. Typing your learnings is very important. This is a new kind of panel, that is why comment section is given as discussion section. So a lot of people confuse that where to comment, but I'm telling you in this video, this is discussion section that you have to use for the for writing the learnings, okay, the comments. All right, and here you have to go through these 11 videos, all right, where you will get to understand the step-by-step process to execute yourself digitally, okay, and the use of chat gpt, everything is given, okay. And then again, this course also has some bonuses that you have to go through. And then start your income from today, this is the affiliate partnership program that you will be getting in the 24 hours challenge, okay. So this is all about the courses, okay. You have to click on complete and continue, then only this 0 will become 100, all right, as you complete, okay. I hope you understood. First course that you have to go through is 100x Wealth Secret Bootcamp. Then you will go with the archive, the 21 days challenge, then Dhanvarsha marketing blueprint, and then finally the Shubh Vardhan 24-hour challenge. And in the bonuses, there are like days wise bonuses, so all those bonuses you have to complete. Like there are 45 days challenge, so let me just show you. There are 45 days challenge, or some challenges are there, okay, like 45 days gratitude challenge here. So you have to complete this challenge, okay. You have to start from day 1 and go till day 45, okay. This PDF you can download as well. The prompts are given, gratitude prompts are given that you have to follow till day 45, like this day 5, 6, all right. Here you have to express your gratitude, and it's a money gratitude challenge for 45 days that you have to do, okay. Day 1, reflect on your abundance. Everything is like a prompt. Day 45 till day 45 you'll get prompts, okay, and you have to fill these prompts, okay. This is gratitude for money challenge. I hope you are getting it, how you have to go through the things. And again, you'll click on complete and continue, then only will be notified like you're completing the stuff. Like you can see here, orange tick mark is there. This means that this lesson has been completed, okay. Alright, so this is all for this video, and if you have any doubts, then kindly let us know in the comments.